Shooting star. Wow. Why am I so big? Hold on. Why? That shouldn't be. Hold on. I'm fixing the camera. Whoa. Wow. Camera fixing time. It's crazy. Wait, hold on. Wait. I just realized TikTok people can't see. Okay. Hello. Hold on. Please hold for the next available representative for your silly little stream. Where's my that looks good, I think. How's that look? Guys? That look good? I'm saving that as the hotkey, whether you think it's good or not. Hello, Estrellitas. Welcome to the stream. I slept so much today. I didn't go to sleep until 6 a.m. though, so like, it makes sense. Don't be like me, Estrellitas. Don't stay awake until 6 a.m. on a school night, okay? Bad idea. That should be... Okay, there you go. We got it. Okay. But, stayed awake until 6 a.m. Because I've been on this new website, and it's really cool. You may have heard of it. It's called myoshi.co, and I've been having a lot of fun on it. Like, this is not an advertisement or anything. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm just genuinely really enjoying the site so far. I've made some cool friends. I've re-met some old friends, and it's just been really fun. So that's been taking up like a solid portion of my that's been taking up a solid portion of my mental space. Of my mental facilities. Yeah. In the meantime, I hope everybody's doing well. Oh, I just got a notification. Hold on, let me check something real quick. What the fuck's a snow statement? I don't know what that means. So I guess we'll just pretend like it's not happening. I guess we'll just pretend that there's not like some ungodly weather event going on right now. That's probably fine, right? Anyway, let me think of what I have to talk about today. Dropped one of my classes, so my Tuesdays are completely free. Yay! Also, how's my audio? Is my audio good? I hope my audio is pretty good. I'm talking into the mic. Hold on. Let me move my mic a little bit so that it... I'm so professional, guys. I'm so professional. Oh my gosh. Hold on, wait. Maybe I'm not as professional as I thought. Oh, come on. Is that good? Does that do anything for you? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Wait. Wrong way. Okay. Does that do anything for you? Does that microphone fixing ASMR do anything for you, goobers? Silly little guys, even. Estrellitas. Why is it? It's pissing me off, Robert. Okay. Okay. I can hear you now. Yay! Yippee, yippee, yippee. Hello, Scarl. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a good day or night, depending on your time zone. Yeah, I feel like I'm a bit quiet, but it should be fine, I think. Me thinks, me hopes, me prays. Trying to think if I have anything to talk about before we just get right into it. I have a quiz tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it. I haven't studied, which is why tonight we're going to study our little hearts out. We're going to learn JavaScript so much. And I mean, it's a true or false multiple choice question thing, I think. So it should be fine, right? It should be okay, I think. I know JavaScript to a certain extent. Turning up my gain a little bit so you can hear me a bit better. Contemplating my orb too. Hold on. I also can't hear the music very well, so hopefully I'm not like too quiet or too loud, but we'll see. We'll find out. Let's see. If you like what you see, don't forget to follow or subscribe if you're feeling fancy. Oh, I wanted to announce this because I'm really proud. I reached 1,500 subscribers on YouTube, and it's all thanks to y'all. You can't see it, but I'm pointing at you specifically. So thank you all for subscribing and following and all that jazz. I'm very excited for this year. Guys, Estrellitas, I don't think you understand how excited I am for this year. I have so many irons in the fire right now. Not to conjure up memories of Homestuck, but to conjure up memories of Homestuck. Thank you, Scarl. Thank you. I have been working so hard behind the scenes. I have so many things coming out. Take my things. Take them. I'm so excited, though. I'm so excited. I don't think you guys understand just how excited I am for everything that's happening this year. Everything's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be great. Yeah. I'm going to Offkai. I'm so excited. And I'm also, should I reveal this now? I'm hinting at it a little bit. So part of me is like, I've already hinted at it. I should reveal it. But the next part of me is also like, I shouldn't say anything until I know for sure it's gonna happen. Which I'm like 87% sure it's gonna happen. But that remaining 13% is like, what if it doesn't? What if it doesn't happen, guys? What if it doesn't happen? What if I bunk it up? So I'll keep it a secret for now. But if you're a subscriber in my Discord, which I need to set up, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna set up the Discord. I was gonna set up the bot, mix it up bot to do Discord invites privately, but I'll do that later. But yeah, if I might do secret early reveal at some point in the coming month. Also, March 14th, 2026. March 14th, 2026. Be there or be square. I'm not spoiling what it is yet. I'm being a good noodle. I'm being a good little noodle, little silly little guy, okay? I'm being good. No spoilers. No spoilers yet. But March 14th, 2026. I want to say, I'm trying to remember when I scheduled it for. 7 p.m. 6 or 7 p.m. sometime around there. You'll get more information soon. Alright, welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a great day or night depending on your time zone. Yay! Shake that. Shake that on the floor. Shake that. Give me some more. Can I sing that without getting copyright struck? Can I do that? I don't think so. I think that'll get me in trouble, unfortunately. But anyway, much on the docket. Much to do. Why don't we get into it? We got homework. We got silly goofs, silly gaffes. So we're doing a test tomorrow. We're doing a quiz tomorrow. Know all the best jams? Hell yeah. I love a good jam. I love a good bop even. I don't even remember who sang that song. I just know it from like when my sister used to blare it. My older sister. Did I ever mention that I had an older sister on stream? I don't think I have. I have an older sister. That's it. Nothing too special there. Just a secret older sister that I never mentioned until now. I've mentioned my brother, but not my older sister. That's silly. Hold on, let me drink some more water. But yeah, just Oh, there is one thing I want to mention. Saturday and Sunday stream specifically is a little tentative because guess what, guys? I start to have the VT and participating in a 48-hour film festival. Yeah! I don't know if I can share exactly the whole steez of what I'm doing, but it'll be so cool. I'm really excited. This is the first and last chance I get to participate in this film festival. So I'm really excited. I'm hopeful. I'm excited. I think it's gonna go well. I have no reason to believe that it's not gonna go well. Oh, I got the hiccups now. But I'm really Ori. Welcome to the stream, Ori Pub. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you're doing well. Wow. But yeah, just like I'm doing a 48-hour film festival this weekend, and I am just genuinely so excited. I'm so excited for this, guys. I think it's gonna be really fun and look great on a resume too. So yeah, wish me luck on that front. Yeah, very, very fun. Very, very, very fun. Other than that, hello, hero. Welcome to the stream, hero. I'm thinking if there's anything else that I want to really like discuss before we go into productivity. Good question. I got a visitor. Hold on. Let's go over to hand cam, and so I can introduce you to the visitor. Oh, gotta go down at the corner. Gotta move my way down a little bit. Hello. I'm cleaning my desk later, so you can't be mean about it right now. It's illegal, and I'll sue you for emotional devastation. The desk will get cleaned. I promise the desk will get cleaned. Maybe a little too. Hold on, I'm trying to fix my webcam. Not webcam, my phone. I use my phone for tracking because I'm silly and special. Let's put on some music and also change the stream information to productivity, co-working. Co-working and studying. Yeah, because we are studying for a quiz tomorrow. I have not studied. I've not studied, guys. It's bad. Damn, having headaches recently, I see. Yeah. Can I reach it without revealing too much of myself? Yes. I get headaches sometimes, so I just like, not to chill, but I keep a bottle of Advil sometimes just in case. Better to be safe than sorry, you know. And then I also have that tape measure over there because I'm getting into sewing. But yeah. Sometimes my body's a little silly goofy, and I need to make sure it's not too silly goofy, you know. Also 14 months. Oh my gosh! Whoa, you're in front of me. Go off.
Also 14 months. Hurrah!
Hurrah! Yay! Thank you so much for the 14 months. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. You've been here for so long. Wow. That's over a year. Hold on. I can do better wow face than that. Where is it? Wow. 14 whole months. Wow. Thank you, Scarl. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Darn, I would have had. Darn it, I could have had the AI do an RR. You could have, but you didn't. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna put on some music though. Study music, Animal Crossing, and this time I promise I won't cry. I won't cry during the Animal Crossing music. Let's see. Tom Chillhup. Oh my gosh, ads. Hold on. Let's see. Where is my Opera audio? Give it a few seconds. It's advertising to me. Can you guys hear that? Is it too loud, too quiet? It's raining in the Animal Crossing audio. Wow. I love Animal Crossing. I need to play more Animal Crossing, guys. I need to do that more because I actually do enjoy that game quite a bit. I haven't played it in a hot minute though. Let's see. Oh, I didn't mention this. I got an interview, guys. I got an interview for an internship and I'm so legitimately excited. I'm so excited, guys. It's for I can't go too much into detail about it, but I think it's for what's it called? A production company. And I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be great. They're gonna do so well, you know? I believe in us. I believe in the you that believes in the me that believes in the you. You. Hold on, let me just... I gotta two-factor authenticate this stuff real quick. Okay, we're back. Okay. Let's do assignment 3, because he said assignment 3 would be good to study. I'm not looking forward to this. Not one bit. But we're gonna do it because we're adults and we can do this. I believe in us. Let's see. Gotta open up. Gotta extract these to the desktop. Let's see. What am I looking for? I'm looking for my web development folder. Let's see, where is it? Oh my god, it's taking forever to download to extract the images from the zip file. What the hell? Okay. There we go. DS store. Don't know what that is, but okay. So every time you start a new file in HTML, you gotta do doc type HTML. So that way the thing knows that you're doing HTML. And I'm gonna save as. I want to save it as index.html because index.html makes it so that you can what is it? Index.html makes it so that you can don't say that. How do I describe it? So if you have a lot of files in a folder, index.html will be the first file that page opens. That's the main page. Everything else is separate, you know? Let's see. What happened to my finger? Ouchies. I'm gonna just pull up the I think it should be in here. Let's see. No, at workspaces. There we go. Let's see. Can I turn on the... Can I see what it looks like, please? I'll fork it, sure. Can I see what it looks like? Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay. I have found the starting point. We're gonna copy, paste all of this. We're gonna close that. We're gonna open the preview. Oh, we can only click the first one. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Think Verizon is expensive? Think again.
Don't advertise it to my viewers. Stop it. Okay, hold on. We're gonna switch over to... We're gonna switch over to a different version of that, because that made me mad. Okay, let's see. Let's switch over to Chrome. There we go. That should be better, hopefully. No ads. No ads. We don't need ads here. Let's see. I might also work on some other things too. Like I need to finish some stuff up for a I need to finish up some things too for a few of my classes, so I do plan on doing that sometime this week. So I think if I just do this over and over again, grass 2. Oh, hold on. I see. Okay, so that's working. I wish I could show you guys what I was doing. Actually, can I? Is that my... I don't know if that'll be too obvious of where I go to school, but I think it should be fine, actually. Just gonna make sure that I'm not gonna fuck myself over real quick. Okay, yeah, it should be fine, I think. Here, why don't we switch over to game camera, I guess? Let's see, hold on, I'm gonna pull out what I'm doing. I'm gonna hope that it doesn't screw me. Okay, so essentially what I'm trying to do, can I stretch this to transform, stretch to screen, fit to screen? There we go. So essentially, here's what we're trying to do. Let me just pull up the rest of the instructions here. The user starts with 5 Pokeballs and 0 Pokemon, right? So that's easy. Let's see. Starts with 5. And essentially we're going to try and make it so that when you click a grass, it'll give you either nothing, Pokeballs, or a Pokemon. You know? But we need to make the third grass clickable. That's the issue here. So what we're gonna do... We're gonna copy paste this again. I'm going to change all of these to grass 3 on click. It might not make much sense if you don't know a lot of Java script, but it's actually really easy to read once you get into... The only problem that I have is the CSS, or whatever it's called. So that should work now. Yeah, Play again, play again, play again, play again, play again, play again, play again. Oh, it's going into the negatives. Uh-oh, we gotta fix that. Don't want it to go into the negatives. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get rid of these real quick because we don't need that many spaces. If actually, I could probably put these all in a do while loop, right? All the way down. Okay, let's close this real quick because I don't want to cause an issue in my computer. Where'd you guys go? Oh, how funny! I'm playing Pokemon now. Hell yeah! I need to get into Pokemon a little bit. Oh god, I keep forgetting that I can't scroll really quick. While. So basically, we're telling the program to do this, to go through all of this part while Pokeballs left is greater than 0. I want a little semicolon. I think that's how that works, right? Let's see. Oh, broke the code. Yeah, Visual Studio Code. Yeah. That's what I've been doing recently. That's what I've been working with. That's not good. Okay. How do do whiles work? I need to remind myself. Let's see. Okay, so I fixed it. Well, I did it right. I think I just did something wrong here. Okay, let me just undo what I did. Because I think I fucked it up somehow. Okay. Let's try this instead. If Pokeballs left is equal to 0, game state equals over. Play again, play again, play. Oops. Stop giving me Pokeballs. Stop giving me Pokeballs. Stop! Okay, let's try this one. God damn it. Okay, we need it to not. There's the game state equals over. Let me read through this code real quick. Hold on. So you got the CSS up here. That's fine. The style code up here. That's fine. Yuki, Finna Lurk, playing Monster Hunter. Hell yeah. I hope you're having fun with that. Hello, Yuki. Hello, hello, hello. Hope you're having a good day or night depending on your time zone. I believe it is nighttime for you. Let's see. ID container, first grass, says. DOM references, yes. Get element by ID. UI Pokeballs left equals. Okay. And we got spans and stuff, which are basically just smaller divs. Pokeball caught equals 0. 5 equals picking. trying to remember how he did it. Because I remember he went over it. What variables you'll need in order to keep track of things for your games. These up at the beginning of your program as well. What elements on your page need to respond to the mouse? Okay, let's add this in real quick. It needs to go up here. Can I spell? Hold on, I forgot what the game state was supposed to be called. Picking. And we're also going to come on. I love this program. It's really good. Actually, it is a very good program. I actually quite like it. I'm just frustrated by the inconveniences. Not the coding. I'm having flashbacks. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah. Flashback, flashback, flashback. Having a good day. Hope the same can be said about you. I am having quite a good day, yes. Just chilled out the whole day. Took a nap. Took a very long nap. And that was helpful. Sometimes you just need a nap. I do want to make a UI button. Hold on. I don't know if this is how he wants us to do it, but need this to be hidden too. Oh, what if I had the play again button? Okay, hold on, wait. I'm big braining over here. Let's see. Stop giving me Pokeballs. Coding. I do like coding. I think it's fun, but it's just like... How do I make it? homework. Homework might be hated. But good grief and alas, I have to do it, or else I'll fail. Let's see. Oh, that should be better. Yes. Starts with 5 Pokeballs in your Pokemon. Display some kind of game over message. I can read this, I just go. Oh, I'm reading. Okay. I think I understand. Get rid of directions, unless that's necessary. Okay, I needed to. Okay. That should be good, I think. And then we need to get the element by ID. Let caught document.get element by ID caught what? Let's see. Caught that inner text equals trying to remember how to do inner text. I think, let me see. Let's see. Hold on. Give me a second. Contemplating. I'm gonna open up my old stuff too, I think. Because I remember I did something for that tier 2. Document.write is not the right one. It was inner text. I hope it's not working anymore. Why is it not working? What if instead, hold on. Span ID equals caught what? Game state, let game state equal picking. I definitely broke it. I definitely broke the code. What if I got rid of this? Okay, why is it not working? It thinks something's up. Okay, hold on. What did I do here? Let's see. H1. H1. Mm. It's initial values. Oh, I see what I'm doing. I see one of the things. I'm noticing one of the things. Or was it? It was up here, I think. If Pokeballs left is greater than 0, put it back. Else, game, no. H1, no. Document dot, what's it called? No, it's not that. It's game over text. Over text dot style dot display equals none. Why can't I choose any more Pokemon? That's weird. Strange, wacky, and wild. Why doesn't any of this work? Oh, I don't have any Pokeballs left. That's why. Can I reload this page? No, it's... somewhere it's getting junked up. Don't know why it thinks that I have 0 Pokeballs. It seems to think that we don't have any Pokeballs left. Let me see. What does it think? I need to make a function to reset, I think. Button ID equals try again. works. Oh, I love coding. It is my favorite activity. Let what do I call it? Button? Repeat button. Dot on click equals on click equals function. I'm definitely like using equal sign somewhere. Instead of using the correct one. This feels very broken to me. This feels very broken, and I'm trying to figure out how to fix it, and I don't think I can fix it. I think I broke it too much. I think I might have to start over. Because it's not resetting, that's the issue. Like, it just says I have 0 Pokeballs left. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay. Okay. How do I change it to not be displayed on? What are the displays? See, the page is reloading. It just when I type. Let's see if I get rid of all of this. Got so many Pokeballs now, but oh, I'm choosing the wrong one. Did I change the name of it? I think I chose the wrong name. Let me see this real quick. Where's this working? Why is yours working? It should be under picking, yeah. Let me just copy paste this again. You start with 5. That's important. That should hopefully work. What if I made... I'm trying to think of how to do this. Let's see. Okay, it's back to being 0. What the hell? I guess I can't. How do you get rid of this? I didn't even change anything this time. What did I change? Where's the error? Right here. Why is this an error? Okay, hold on. I'm understanding. I'm picking up what I'm putting down. Ooh, what you making? I am trying to do homework. I'm trying to do a silly little goof. Where basically when you click on the grass, it'll reveal a Pokemon or Pokeballs or nothing. Welcome nuts to the stream. It's easier said than done, unfortunately, but we're powering through. Okay, let's see. I'm just considering. Okay, I think I fucked it up again. Let's not do that, actually. Let's just leave it the way it is, because it works. Let's leave it the way it is. Let's not fuck with the ecosystem here. Grass 1 dot on click dot game choice dot just function. Fucked it up again. Back to the drawing board. Best computer programmer in the galaxy, but we'll get this. Oh, equals function. Gimme. It's not over until it's over. Oh, thank you so much for the hydrate, the redeem, the stretch, and the posture check, Yugi. Hydrating just for you, and only for you, no one else. All right, let's see. Oh, I see what I did wrong. There we go. We're gonna... That pisses me off. Grass 3. Grass 3. Ow! Nuts, thank you. Self-care trade choo-choo. That should work, hopefully. Yes. Yes. This should be grass. That's grass 1. We want grass. Grass 2, yes. Grass 2. Grass 2. Okay. I chose violence. No self-care, says Nuts. Only violence. Okay, now we gotta figure out a way to make it so that when... Oh. I realize what I'm doing wrong. Okay, let's do this. Hold on, real quick. What I want to do though is I want to change it. Ow. That didn't actually hurt. I just got surprised. Wah! Span ID equals what? K even. Span ID will equal I don't want another button. And then we need to go up here. Try again. Display none. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna try it with number 1 first. And hope that I actually do it right this time. So I need to also let cot make sure there's nothing called cot in here. Document.get element by ID. And let repeat button equal document.get element by ID. Try again. Okay, that should be good. And then what we're gonna try and do, hopefully it'll work. We'll see if it works. We want the text to change. So what we're gonna say is we're gonna do cot dot inner text equals. Okay, now it seems to think. And my headphones went out. Hold on. Okay, we're so back. So if I get rid of this... No, that doesn't fix it. Why does it think that I don't have any Pokeballs left? This is frustrating me. Because I don't think I'm changing the variable at all. Oh. String. Change that to capture so that it doesn't get confused. I don't know what's going on here, because it's... Put that there. Because it seems to work for everything else. Okay, I'm legitimately so confused. I'm legitimately so confused. Hold on. Let me read through this slowly. Okay. It automatically goes to 0. Even if I like... Something's going on here. I genuinely don't know what. Okay. I'm legitimately so confused, actually. Legitimately very confused by this. I think that function's supposed to be there. Oh wait, no, that was the one I was working on. is what I get for not paying attention in class, I guess. Ugh. Because again, I can read this. I can read this. I just don't know where I'm going wrong. I mean, I must be doing something wrong, I guess, but I don't think I mess with the Pokeballs at all. Ow! Ghosty, thank you so much for the get loved, idiot. Get loved, baka. How are you, Ghosty? I hope you're doing well tonight. Hope you're doing well. I'm sipping water. Let's see. Because I'm doing something wrong, obviously. Like, that's not a question. That style, that display. Block. I love silly. I'm doing okay. I'm glad. Yeah. Game over. Repeat button. Dot this style. Dot display. Plus equals block. Game over state. So weird that it's not working. I'm actually getting frustrated. I am actually legitimately getting frustrated. Because this is the third time it's told me that I don't have any Pokeballs left. And I don't know why it says that. Okay, let's see. What do we want to do? We wanted to Pokeballs left equals 5. And we wanted to Pokemon caught equals 0. So let's actually we could so my button doesn't work because the stupid program doesn't work. This stupid thing doesn't work. It doesn't want to work with me. Let me think. Let me contemplate my orb real quick. I'm contemplating. Hold on. I'm thinking. I'm big braining over here, trying to figure out where this code is going wrong. It's on click, so it shouldn't. Can I console.log something? Console.log. Can I open up the console now? How do I open up the console? Okay, hold on. Let me see. I want to see the console. We don't have a check yet, but we're gonna get one. Button ID equals check. Is this working? It's under script though. Hold on. I think I found the problem, but it's a stupid problem. Oh goody, a place where I can peacefully sleep. Welcome, 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 Hank, to the stream. Wow. Let's see. What I want to do. Zombie is sleeping. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the raid. How are you? What is going on? Hello, hello, hello. Send more paramedics. The dead bugs are crawling. Oh my gosh, not the dead bugs. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream. I hope you're all having a great day or night, depending on your time zone. We're just doing some co-working, programming, stuff like that, and I'm getting a little frustrated. Not surprising, though. Hi, Zombie. Hi, hi, hi. Hold on, let me just shout you out real quick. What were you doing? What were you up to? I hope this is how it works. Yeah, oh, you were playing Ratchet and Clank? Oh, hell yeah, I've been meaning to watch that. Or, not watch, but play that. Ratchet and Clank, I hope programming and learning has been going well. Oh my gosh, it's going as well as it can. It's going as well as it can. Doing my best. That's all that matters. What I'm gonna try and do here. Oh, but if you need to, oh, hold on. Sorry, I'm tired. Okay. Welcome to the stream, everybody. My name is Star Trevor VT, better known as Starry. I am a cosmic princess on the run from their tyrannical family. Oh, wow, that's crazy. I like to play a lot of horror games, a lot of indie games, so if you find that interesting, feel free to drop a follow. And if you need to raid and run, go take care of yourself. Go take care of yourself. Make sure that you're hydrated, well rested, and getting plenty of food. Yeah. But thank you so much for the raid. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had fun with Ratchet and Clank. Yeah. Let's see. I'm trying to see why the Pokemon. What did I name the button? Hold on. I think I'm gonna call it a night soon, honestly. Let me think, though. Let me think. I'm gonna give it like another half hour. Another 20 minutes to a half hour. And then if I don't figure out what's going on with this by then... Because it's just not working. Because, oh my gosh, okay. I don't know if anybody in chat can help me with this. I literally have zero clue what's going on. I am trying to make it so that when I click on one of these grasses, it shows either Pokemon. Like, I had it working, but now it says I don't have any Pokeballs left. And for some reason, it just is being so weird about it. No, that didn't fix it, but I was getting somewhere. I felt like I was getting somewhere. I was close. Why did my tracking stop? Hold on. Let's fix that real quick. There you go. I'm back. Oh my gosh. I have no clue what's going on here or why it's going on here. We're struggling, but we're struggling together. That's all that matters. This game over, Stu. I don't think I need this part. Repeat dot button dot style dot display equals block. No, it has to be. I don't know if I actually need to put that semicolon there, but I'll put it there anyway. No, I don't need to put that semicolon in there. So smart. Let's see. Raising my eyebrow. I want to freeze for a second because I'm doing this. I'm trying really hard. I got an early day tomorrow, so I'm gonna call it soon, but we're gonna try and fix this at the very least. Worst comes to worst, I'll talk to a tutor about it and see what they can help me with. Okay. Let's see. Repeat button. Display. Blah blah blah. I can get rid of this. Game over. False. Because we don't need that. Says I caught 5 Pokemon, but that's not true. Do spans have to have things in them? I'm frustrated. Maybe I should do something else for now. Let's see. Ow! What the hell? Oh my god, you guys are so mean to me. I'm okay, but like, look, I don't. It's just. I really don't know. Hold on. Hold on, I'm big braining. Hold on. Okay. I'm thinking. For some reason, update UI is not working. Why is update UI not working? I'm gonna comment this out. No, that's not what I want to do actually. Console.log Pokeballs left. Alright, let me check the console. It's giving me a shit ton of errors. Give me what I asked for, please. Let me see. is it? What line is it? 82? Document. I spelled this wrong. I've been spelling it wrong the entire time. It's... Oh my god. Ugh. JavaScript when I get you. You fucker. I hate JavaScript so much. I hate it so much, guys. And now I'm getting so many more errors. Okay, we know I can... Okay, I think that's all the mistakes we made. I'm so used... Okay, Pokeballs equals 5. Okay, so we're good, we're good, we're good. 7 warnings. Now, let me make sure that I'm not misspelling anything else either in our text. The game over state still doesn't work. We're gonna get rid of this button. JavaScript when I fucking get you. Let's make sure that it works. Come on, so close to getting no Pokeballs left. Okay, so you're... At least I fixed it. At least I figured out what I was doing wrong. That's so dumb. It's dumb. JavaScript should feel bad about it. Okay, you're still going into the zeros. Don't want to fix this now. Yes, I do. Yes, I do want to fix it now, actually. I think it's important to fix it now. Get rid of this. I think I can actually change this to... And then if I do the play again, I don't need this repeat button. I just need the game over relay. I need game over text to be above. Damn it. Try again button can go into the ether forever. Sorry, this is not as funny of a stream as I'm just trying to get this done. So that we can play games and have fun on what day? Thursday? Friday? Thursday. Thursday. That's the day. Oops, do not mean to open that. I feel like I missed something today. I don't think I did I? I swear if I miss something today, I'm gonna scream. We're about to find out. Oh god, this is probably not a good time to find out if I missed something today. Just let me into my stupid thing. I did miss something today. Shit. That's okay, I'll just reschedule it real quick. Worst comes to worst, I'll schedule it somewhere else, but... Yeah, I'll schedule it somewhere else. Fuck that. Fuck that noise. That sucks though. I forgot it was today. That's what happened. I thought it was a different day. But that's my bad, I guess. I'll call them tomorrow and see if I can get another appointment. I was supposed to have a physical today. I was supposed to have a physical today and I just completely forgot. I thought it was in my calendar. Legitimately, I thought it was in my calendar, but you know, sigh. Oh, unfortunate. Oh, I'm disappointed in myself mostly, but oh, maybe this is supposed to go in the function. Oops, nope. Wait, hold on. And hunker down. Asteroids. Asteroids. I'm hoping the test will be easy because I know my stuff. I like to think. I might just go through the other stuff too, just to make sure I know everything. I think I'm done for the night. I think I'm done for the night. I'm tired and frustrated, and I think I just need to take a break. Why don't we watch some videos? Maybe. Let me just... I'm gonna look through my DMs. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off for now and maybe try to do some more studying when I'm not... Maybe take a nap. I got an early day tomorrow, too. I gotta go to the dentist. Make sure my teeth are all sparkly clean, because I'm getting Invisalign. Hold on, let me switch over to just chatting, and we'll just chat for a little bit before I hop off. Wow, I'm here now. Isn't that crazy, guys? It's wacky and wild. Let me turn off the music. Okay. I'm gonna snooze the ads, because we're not gonna stay here for much longer. I'm sorry for stream tonight not being as entertaining. I am tired. Oh wait, hold on. I'm tired and I've had a long weekend, but I'll be okay. I'll be okay. And this weekend, or this Thursday actually, we're playing more Outlast Trials with Polka. Wow. We've been collabing with them a lot because they're super cool and awesome. And speaking of awesome, they have a shop now. They have a certified actual shop. You guys should all check it out because it's super, super cool. Guys, trust me, it's very cool. It's a very cool shop. Here, I'm going to link it real quick if I can remember what the... Hold on, I gotta go to Blue Sky. Gotta go to bsky.app. Let me pull up their stuff. Somebody texted me. Oh, guys, they're texting me. Oh, guys, read messages. Let's see. 27th. Oh, it's not open yet. Okay, but when Puka opens up their shop, y'all better go and support him because he's so cool and I like him a lot and he's really nice. He's really nice to me. He listens to me yap. About all my favorite things. So you gotta support him. You gotta be nice to him, okay? Be nice to Puka. Speaking of Ooga Booga, I know we were gonna raid tonight if they're still on. Let me see. Oh, I'm shooting. Oh. Alright, I'm setting up the raid now. Cause I'm eepy and I need to sleepy for my test and everything tomorrow. But thank you all so much for coming. Thank you all so much for staying. Remember that you're loved and cared for, and if nobody's in your corner rooting for you, I'm in your computer. I'm messing with your HTML and CSS files. Your website's gonna look like dog shit when I'm done with them. Your websites aren't gonna work when I'm done with them. And you know what? It's because you need to log off because I'm rooting for you and I'm just like, wow, you've been on the computer a lot recently. You need to chill the fuck out, dude. You need to not be on the computer so much. Wow. Anyway, I'll see you all on Thursday with Outlast Trials and Sunday, I think, with Umigari, the new Chilla's art game. So yeah, I will see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye.